So like I said, I think it would work, wouldn't it? You know what I mean? Like, if I rip this bloody polytunnel.
Heart filled with worries, no more.
Morning, everybody. Come on, let's get into this allotment there. Today, I'm a little bit bored. There's no one in the house, they're all out, and I'm on night shift and I'll not see anybody now till tomorrow. So, and there's no one at work, you know what I mean? There's just me at the work on the particular shift, so got to fill me time in. And just a quick look around there just to make sure the wind hasn't damaged anything. No, we're all right there because we're still quite windy up here. We were terrible yesterday, but not, oh dearie me, still got a cable tie that. So if you're wondering as well why I'm putting out kind of, not say dailies, but you know, a little bit often, I've got a lot of free time on my hand, but I've got this idea. Look at these were, can you see them? And they were there ready to go into the skip, but I'm thinking, and there's another little one there, I don't know if I've got the right equipment, but what I'm going to do is make them floating shelves in there. Yeah, it's wasting time, aren't I? How are you doing, man? Bloody go and tidy the house, do the bloody washing. We come in to the polytunnel, and like I said, this still thing's getting on my nerves, but I fancy putting, you know, because I've now got these shelves, I could put some sort of floating shelf here. I haven't got any wire, that's the only snag. All I've got is, actually things are a little bit kind of dry when I'm looking there, is this paracord. Now I don't want to put anything kind of really heavy on it. I've just got this idea of, I love these, you know, like these, you can see that's had about 4 or 5 pickings. Well, I went to, if I just bang them in front of you there, got some more salad mixes, and I found another blue basket. So I'm just going to put a few more on there. I think that's possibly the plan. Is it a good plan or not? A big thank you as well to everyone that mentioned from yesterday's video about what I could do with the polytunnel. Man, there was just loads of advice there. That's what, making a beer garden tour. I love that one. Whoever sent that one in, thank you so much. Right, so do you know what, I haven't watered there for a while and they're a little bit shy. So what do you think? Think I can do that? See, I've got this, it will be so temporary, it's like scary how temporary and feeble it is, but this paracord must be good, mustn't it? Paracord, man. Just move that. And yeah, I think I will. Just want a little one. Come with me. So I think I'll do one. We'll see how that goes first. So like I said, I think it would work, wouldn't it? You know what I mean? Like, if I rip this bloody polytunnel, that's the last on me. Oh, I found another blue basket there as well, so that's both them sorted. And I'll probably have to cut this and put some holes in it to make it like a liner for them baskets, but that's later. So, oh, this is what I'm thinking, just somewhere like that, like a nice floaty shelf to put me salad on, so I can just keep coming and picking. Right, I'll fast this because I'm not 100% sure how I'm gonna do it. At the moment, 4 bits of string like looped round there and tied there. So the idea is to try and balance them now and get them level and tie them up. Again, just temporary, but that'd be nice, to be honest. Right, let's go fast again.
It all seems so harmless. A silver line. Don't you wait until the morning light, the morning light. Far away until you're out of sight, you're out of sight.
Hey, hey, bloody hell. It can't be as simple as that. Somebody's got to... Me nuts are alright. I don't know if this is just like I say, it can't be that easy, man, surely. I just want to put the seat, you know, the what do you call it? Cut and come. I just want to put them on. Let's just do that then. Get over there. I guess the big test will be when they're all wet. Well, it's worked up now. As dry as sticks. And then I'll put the other 2 on. Yeah, man. Next DIY project with the Tony C. Smith is coming next week. I mean, if it snaps, it snaps. Yeah, I'll kind of be gutted. It wouldn't, you know, if it was like on me tomatoes or anything, but, and maybe I'll get a better bit of string next time, but I'm sure that paracord there would take my weight. All right. All right. You know, enough with the jokes. It's just a saying. But it's, you know what I mean? I was recommended this paracord when my green string on these was kind of snapping and fraying and everything. So, tell you what, we'll get these done. I was actually going to take these home and put the seeds in a propagator, but I'm just going to see if they'll still kick away now. Mine, I like this compost evergreen. It's the first one that I've gotten that's been lovely and kind of smooth and not kind of gravelled up to the eyeballs. This one. Mind, I'm taking the chance, put my camera on there as well when it all goes wrong. I think, if anything, it'll be me knots that go. Because although I was in the Scouts and I did pass a few of me things, I don't think knots, I kind of just rush a knot when I'm tying it. Right. So I think that's golden, to be honest. You're on a bit of an angle there with us. So this is actually a nice little works, you know, to do things. I guess the wobble, do you know what I mean? Because we can just all move together. Do you know? But we're here to plant seeds. So, mixed leaves, God, how far I'm pushing that one, Ovation and Suffolk Punch. There we go. So, like I say, I could take these home and put them in the propagator, but I'll give them the benefit of the doubt first. They were $2.65 each. Speedy salads, that's what we're after. So this will be test number 1 was putting it up, test number 2 was putting these on, test number 3, the big test is with water, fully waterlogged. Here's a nice little water. Oh, I didn't put the label on that one. See how I can lose stuff within seconds. It's making us feel a bit kind of seasick.
In a world full of sorrow.
Like I say, the only thing that's going to spoil it is me knots. I don't think this paracord will go. And what I'll do is, I'll keep coming in and having a look. Do you know what I mean? Just to see how the knots, if there is any kind of fraying. If it goes, it goes. Do you know what I mean? It'll be kind of more of a mess to clean up than anything. But what I am going to do, I'm going to do it right now, is come with me. I'm not going to, I was going to throw them out. You know, I've been keeping a hold of them for ages. But I've got another one there. And it's always nice, oh, it's starting to really rain now, to, you know, when you've got your kind of tomatoes, lots of tomatoes going on, and like then you start like potting them up. That'll be a nice little bit of floating shelf. There we go. Definitely put one there, because you don't really, you know, if there's one there, it doesn't really encroach on the pathway. It might put a little bit of shade on there. I don't know. I was thinking there, that's why I went quiet. Look after yourselves, take good care.